Statistics for Business and Economics and its online resources available in WebAssign. Business students, now more than ever, need a firm understanding of data analysis and how statistical techniques can be applied in the real world to generate better insights. Becoming better problem solvers using data is a critical skill that future employers highly value. The authors of Statistics for Business and Economics have a problem scenario approach within a business context. Concepts are introduced by presenting a business problem first, then methods and applications are presented through clear step-by-step examples. Applications exercises build relevance in real-world situations with practical data sets. Case problems include larger data sets and require creation of a managerial memo to communicate the results and make recommendations. To bring abstract statistical concepts to life, WebAssign includes visual tools paired with assignments. Exploring statistics, applets expand upon concepts from the chapter reading and engage students with interactive graphs and charts from the book. Available as standalone learning tools, short lecture videos, or as great as assignments exploring statistics, applets make fundamental concepts more concrete and interesting. Students need practice, building problem-solving skills, methods and application exercises from the text are available as randomized assignments in WebAssign. Students receive instant just-in-time help and feedback, including watch-it videos, master tutorials, and fall solutions to ensure understanding. To promote mastery, case problems from the textbook are available in WebAssign as auto-graded randomized assignments for deeper analysis and interpretation. A memo report can be uploaded to show the results and recommendations from the final analysis, with flexible options at every step of the assignment. Building and scheduling process, WebAssign supports your teaching style and, of course, delivery mode to ensure students leave your course with the problem-solving skills needed to succeed in future business courses and in the workplace. For more information and demo, write to us at asia.infoindia@cengage.com or visit us at www.cengage.co.in.